Hello friends, welcome again to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna share here a little problem about AM FM radio. In front of you I have here the circuit board of the Sony radio, and the model is TFM 9430W. This is a two-band radio. So here the problem, guys, FM is okay, but the AM, you can't pick up a channel. If there's a channel, guys, it's very distorted and a very tiny sound, and it's just like intermittent. So here I'm gonna demo first the FM. So here I'm gonna turn on. So this is FM.
Life extension at lifelinepro.com.
FM is okay. Now I'm gonna set this to AM. So this is AM, guys. I'm gonna turn the volume control to a maximum. Okay, so here I'm gonna turn this tuning capacitor. Sometimes it has a tiny here. So there, that's the problem of the AM. So no more chit chat, guys. I'm gonna direct you in what part of the radio you're gonna troubleshoot. So here I'm gonna unplug this first. As you can see here, guys, this part here is AFC. There. So it has AFC, AM. This is the part where I troubleshoot that kind of problem. Okay? But before I will proceed, guys, this troubleshooting, especially in an electronics, there are some cases that you troubleshoot with the same symptoms or the same problem, but in different area of the circuit. So here I'm gonna directly guide you where is the part that I've troubleshoot and replace the part. So here I replace the transistor on the AFC. AFC, guys, means automatic frequency control. So I replace this transistor here, this one. I will replace this one here. Hope I can share to you properly. Where's the transistor? This is the transistor, guys, this one. This is the AFC, or the automatic frequency control. That transistor, guys, will control the frequency. So here I don't have any diagram. Actually, I troubleshoot this one. I started on the part here. This is the part of the AM antenna here. These are the wires for the AM antenna, this one. Then I go to the oscillator part. Here is the oscillator transistor, this one. Then I end up on this transistor here. But just for a short video, guys, I'm gonna directly share to you that I'm gonna replace the transistor here. So I'm gonna replace this one. I have here my spare. This transistor is C930. So I'm gonna replace the same part number, C930. This one here, guys. Okay. So here it is, guys. It's already replaced with a new, this one. This is C930. So I'm gonna plug this one. I'm gonna turn this on. So this is now on AM. So here. So I'm gonna set this first to FM. So this is FM.
Siguro nagiging problema mo lang siya sa sarili mo, Anas mo,
Love to come right.
So that is FM. So I'm gonna set this to AM. So this is now the AM, guys.
Patong 2016.
Ana, sabi ni mo ang atong mga kandidato dito miagi mamumuong Pilipino na nasakit, nasidente o namatay.
So there. It has
Hindi lang sa
Yan ang mama. Oh, taga din yung mama.
ang sa pagpasabot ninyo.
So it works, and that's how to troubleshoot a radio. But in this video, guys, I directly share with you the part that I replace. But here, guys, this is just a tip. Not all radio with that kind of symptoms you will go directly here. Okay, you must check first from the oscillator. Some people will do in the detector, then going up, but for me, I always start in the oscillator, going down to the detector, and the last part is the switch and also the amplifier. So that's all, guys. Hope this video helps, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.